Well, I'm going to show you a druid worgen, and I'm going to show you his shapeshift. This is what mine looks like. Neat, right? Alright. This is on World of Warcraft. Here's this. You might like it. This is the loading screen. There's different ones on here, but this is one I have right now. You can't change it. It chooses for you. It's almost done. Now I'm going to get closer. Alright. I think you're going to like these. Alright, it's done. Alright. Right now, I'm a little cheetah. Look at the face. It's neat. Alright, now I'm gonna be a cat. Oh, it's supposed to be a panther. Likey? Now I'm gonna be a bear. Now I'm gonna go in some water for y'all and show you the seal. Now I'm a seal. So there are all of them. I hope you liked this video. I'll make some more later.